Hey everyone! So today I have an upgrade kit for my Macintosh SE. So this upgrade basically lets me use high density floppies on my original Macintosh SE. So this machine came out on 1987, and originally it had two ports, two floppy disks drives, but they supported only 800K. So with this upgrade that I have, I'm going to be able to convert this Macintosh SE to a Macintosh SE FDHD or SuperDrive. So this kit involves the two ROMs and the SWIM IC and 1.44 megabyte floppy disk. So yeah, let's start. So just to test it out, I'm just gonna insert a high density disk. Right now, this machine doesn't support high density disks. So when it reads it, it just tells me that the disk is unreadable. And it asks me if I want to initialize it or not. Of course, I don't want to initialize it because I have some data there. So I'm just gonna eject it. So the update is quite simple, as I mentioned. It's just a matter of upgrading the floppy disk drive and updating these three ICs. Now, the ROMs themselves are the hardest part to get is the SWIM chip, which is this one, the floppy controller, and these two are the high and low ROMs that I managed to get from a member, from a fellow forum member on 68 KLMA. So I'm going to show somewhere on the right the part numbers that Apple officially states that you should get for the ROM ICs on the right, and yeah, let's start disassembling this and get right to it. So it's quite straightforward. So I'm just gonna start by, I have already taken out the screws, so the case should get out easily, like so. So I just need to remove the logic board power connector, the floppy, and the blue SCSI connector, or the SCSI connector. With that, I can just like move the board a little bit up and then switch it like this and then remove the mouse, and then I have it. There I have it. So the ICs that I need to change are this one, and this one. So it's the ROM high, ROM low, and the IWM, which in my case is going to be the SWIM upgrade, or the SWIM IC. So let's do it. Okay, so it's worth noting that the ICs, the first pin has to go towards the RAM for the 3, for the high, for the low, and for the IWM, and same for these ones. So I'm just gonna start disassembling it. Okay, so start my results. Okay, and then just do this. The high goes here. The low goes here. And the SWIM chip goes here. All right, great. Okay, so I'm just gonna assemble this again. All right, so we test again. I have this diskette that has Kermit in, and again, it's a high density, and hopefully it will just work. Nice. Mounted, and here we have it. Woo! So it worked. Quite happy. Now I have a Macintosh SE SuperDrive. So there you have it. I now have a Mac SE SuperDrive with me. Is it useful now in 2024? No. Was it exciting to me at least? Yes. It was pretty nice that I learned how to do that and change the ROM, and it just worked. It was quite straightforward, as you could see, and I'm quite happy with it. So I'll see you on the next video, I guess.